Cooking with Hulk. Today's secret ingredient, Bobby doll. Remember to scrape the organs off before doing it and after. Remember, put the barbecue on as high as it can go. Now let's check on her, on how crispy she is. Mighty good. Smells like back home on the farm. On planet Jupiter. And today, you should also have some intestines for dessert, because it smells really, really good. And it smells so good that you can use your hands and no forks and spoons. Now, we'll check on the Barbie in a couple seconds. Now, let's check on her, what she's doing. Let's check on her now. I think she's finished. Wait. Now let's check on her. Wow, she got burnt pretty bad. Good thing we have extras. So that is it for today. See you next time on Cooking with Hulk.